I'm ready to do movies. Los Angeles no sooner had Josh Holloway told us that he's ready to do movies than reports
I mispronounce ang moving a word.
movies.
Kung na mi, anak na mismo.
Gatubang ka na dapat, madam. Huwag ka na ikabasa-basa. Sinay ka kapuyo,
Movie.
Movie.
Amo na gani gagi pa kadto ni Harry. Josh Holloway, I'm ready to do movies. Movies. Okay, but sir,
Okay na.
Los Angeles no sooner had Josh Holloway told us that he's ready to do movies than reports broke out that Marvel Comics is in talks with him to appear in the Avengers. In a press con, Josh said he'd like to take a break from TV for at least a couple of years. The long-haired actor said that with his earnings playing Sawyer in Lost and with his Indonesian wife, Yuseka Kumala, taking care of the books, he can afford to concentrate on getting his movie career off the ground. We've always thought that it was only a matter of time before Josh became a movie star too. He was considered for the role of Gambit in X-Men: The Last Stand, but his lost commitment prevented him from seriously pursuing the part. In these excerpts, Josh talked about his...
Ano na nga pang newscast man?
Wala na sabor. Wala sabor.
Panon ta bala certain na practice ko.
Chris Aquino. Si Ay.
Concentrate. Please naman help me. Be silent when the newscaster is
Not allowed.
do on air. Everybody should be in silent. Di ka mo ginahod man kami din.
FMG kami gani. The three
Sila mga juror.
Jury.
Majorist.
Hindi na buhay yung aking
Singer actress Nikki Hale is a makeup expert. She began doing her own face for shows on the music channel Mix. I had to learn, said Nikki, who co-hosts ASAP, ABS-CBN.
Yeah. Hindi ka magbasa. Ano mabasa?
Ginanervyos ang biyote ko. Malooy ka mo, ginanervyos. Do pala mo, ay, kainit man. Hindi nga aircon man, kainit man.
Liwat.
English mong gyapon, sayaon ka.
Take three. Direct, take three.
Cut.
Okay. Take three. Disgusting.
Wala na.
Lights.
Any lang, sige.
Camera.
Action. Nikki Hill, makeup art expert. Singer-actress Nikki Hill is a makeup expert. She began doing her own face for shows on the music channel Mix. I had to learn, said Nikki, who co-hosts ASAP, ABS-CBN Sunday variety show. Whenever a pro was hired to do my face for a photo shoot, I paid careful attention. Even now, I watch makeup tutorials on YouTube and learn some more from magazines. She shared these useful tips. If you have good skin, there's no need for a thick layer of foundation. Light powder will do, and a concealer to hide blemishes. When taking pictures outdoors, do not wear shimmer. It reflects light, making you look fat and oily. Indoors, shimmer is fine. It gives the face a dewy look. Nikki, also a lead actress in the coming musical Legally Blonde, advises girls to go easy on the noise line. The Michael Jackson effect is a super pointed nose. The more subtle the makeup, the better. And when wearing colored contact lenses and false eyelashes, use very light lipstick and no blush. Makeup. I'm very picky with foundation. I'm using MAC now. When I was an acne prone, I used Chanel for thicker coverage. Bags. My boyfriend Billy Crawford bought my favorite Gucci bag in Hong Kong. and I think it's lambskin. I went to a Gucci store here and saw how expensive it was. My favorite is also a Gucci from New York. I don't think they have this anywhere else. When you buy the bag, a portion of the purchase price goes to UNICEF. Of course, that was just an afterthought. My first concern was, I like the bag. Tips to collectors, don't carry ball pen in the bag or let lipstick just roll around inside. Don't discard the dust bag. If you decide to sell, the buyer will look for it. Pag walang dust bag, mas mura. From Shaina. Magdayaw, I learned that bags should be stuffed with towels or tissue when in storage.
Newscast ni siya, storytelling.
Ang buti sa iya, gani English.
Ang sabi ko newscast, ang ginahimo mo.
Boring.
Ang newscasting balaya,
Boring.
di ba? May pacing ang newscasting. Tapos ang newscasting, di ba?
Ito maglanta ko na kayo balita.
Ang
Matulog
iyang
na lang ko.
kuhaan niya tono, sinaya mo no tonos.
Wala na lang ilong.
Magkambos na iya. Matulog na ko nila maglanta.
Ano ka ko no, matag ako no horoscope. Oh. Horror kitsagan.
Ikaw, Chidolfo, example, ba na Chidolfo? Ay, sige, kabalo ka rin si
Hindi ka ba naman sa gali?
Okay.
Oh.
Take 932.
999.
Kapalaran sa buka.
Okay. Lights! Hindi. Take 101.
New video
Ay,
lang.
okay.
Kasi laban na 10 minutes.
Okay, stop ko.
Stop na lang.
Okay, stop! Stop, Madam Cute. Smile!